This is from my buddy Keith in North Carolina. He cannot get Casey's chicken salad where he's at, so I figured out how to make it for him. I roasted my chicken here. When it got up to 165 degrees, I pulled it out of the oven, set it aside to rest. While that's resting, we're going to take a little time to examine what is in the chicken salad. Going to scoop up some into this sieve and rinse the dressing off of it. Let's take a look at what we got. So the chicken chunks are about a dime to nickel size, and the celery stalk is really small. I ended up putting the salt and pepper in the chicken, and that turned out to be just the right amount of seasoning. Two celery stalks finely diced. Gets you about a cup. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to strip them. I'm using an electric knife here. It seems to get me really good results, and it lets me get that fine chop on the cube. You can see we're going pretty quick and not tearing up the chicken breast. That got me about 4 cups of nice chicken breast. It's really tender. I'm going to set this aside in the fridge for a while to firm up. All right, we're doing everything on this recipe except for the grapes and the pecans. This is off the Casey's webpage. Now it's time to put this together. 4 cups of cubed chicken. We roasted that with the bone and skin, and we seasoned it. So we're going to go ahead and add our cup of finely diced celery. Let's go ahead and toss that. Get that going. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. We have a cup of Hellmann's. We're going to put most of it in there, mix it up, and we're just looking to coat this. So if 3/4 of a cup was enough, we'll stop. I'm trying to be gentle with this so I don't break up the chicken, and it is getting coated up pretty nice. I think that's just about right. Little toast out of the toaster, spoon up some on the bread, and we are set for a nice lunch. Hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate your time.